Another British town, old town. Yep, another British old town. It's a beautiful view today, beautiful weather. A lot of sunshine. Yep, it's beautiful. Yep, today's a day off. I'm going to enjoy myself. Going to seafood. King crab leg, guys. King crab leg. This is old town, not Police. Beautiful town. Eyesight. Love it. What a church that? A church over there. Looking for parking right now. Hard to find a parking. That is so good. Looking for parking. Maybe get lucky. Get lucky to get the boat. See the guy, big boat. Big boat. Yes. Beautiful. The water make you cool in your eye, in my eyes. And look at the boat. Let people hang out. Beautiful. Like an ocean city, Virginia Beach. Everything right here. Get the water, beautiful water. Yes, okay, let's go eat. We already in here. We got the parking. Awesome. Let's go. Let's get park. Go to get the table. And gonna have some fun. I got my hot sauce with me. I'm gonna go ahead and eat the crab, king crab leg. Okay. Here we are. So gonna get in upstairs. Walk upstairs right here. All right, we are at the restaurant right now. She's waiting for 10 minutes. That's waiting for 10 minutes. See, restaurant is packed, so we have to wait for 10 minutes. There's so many people, and 10 minutes is worth it. I have to wait. Let's start from salad. This is all you can eat. This is healthy salad right here, guys. And what do you call this one? Mussel. And clam. See the clam? Clam. You see the shrimp, and the crab, sting crab. What you got right there?
I got some squash.
Zucchini, squash.
I got some codfish. I got some rice with gumbo soup.
Wow, and
on top of it, the mashed potato.
Oh wow.
Round one.
Okay. White Zinfandel, and this is beer.
What kind of beer?
England. You like England, right?
Right.
Because I order for you, okay? When you eat seafood, don't forget my seafood love, lao hard gel. Look at that. Oh, I bring whole bottle in here. Let's go. That's a rock and roll party in my mouth. That's a dancing party in my mouth. Let's do it. Yes. Gotta eat it now. And I cannot wait. My hot sauce. Whipping my hot sauce in here, you guys. Oh, that's dip. Okay, this is mussel. That's dip. Oh my God. Ooh, listen. So good. Okay, this is clam, you guys. That's a dip. Let me see how does it. Oh, that's so good. Here you go. You use the hot sauce, you guys. Okay. Woo. Yep.
Seafood lao hot gel.
Good, huh? Thumbs up? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
You guys just make it easy, right? I just dump all the mussel and crab in here. And let's eat it from here. Oh my God, so good. So delicious. So good salad too, you guys. Let's have some salad dipping to my sauce. Oh man, crazy delicious. Delicious. Okay, let's have shrimp dip with my lao hot gel. Oh my god, so good. That's so good. How about the cucumber dipping in my hot sauce? Oh yes. So good. Okay, that's dip crab. Dipping crab. Oh my god. So good. Girl, that's it. So good. Second round. What's that right there?
That green lao hot gel.
I mean, what you did?
Fish stick.
Fish stick. Fish stick? Tell me how you like it. Good? Wow, look at hero in the second round. This is the crab dip in my sauce. You guys, you just don't believe this gel right here. This gel right here, it make your food dancing in your mouth, and you don't want to stop eating. It's special to eat. Or you can eat seafood. That means you stay here all day and eat forever. Stay here all day. Oh my God, so good. King crab again. Crab again. All about salt, you guys. All about salt. Guys, round two. Hold on. Round two. This is white steamed salmon and catfish deep fried, mashed potato, steamed crab, crawfish, and shrimp, and of course is the crab cake steam. You know what? Cannot live without it. Cannot live without it. Oh yes, we cannot live without it. That's why I make you eat a lot. I don't care today if I get fat. You know what? Because my flavor, my hot large right there. If not because of that, I'm not eat a lot. So every household, you will need one in the refrigerator. You need one. And here you're gonna eat all of this because of the sauce. That's why my food truck so popular and successful, because the hot sauce right there, they love it. And here you guys, don't forget about why. Cheers. Where are you, hon? Cheers. Cheers. Happy Saturday. And you know what? Don't forget the vegetable either. The vegetable slide in with the food to make you get digest, easy digest. The key is always have some vegetable, okay? To make your intestine easy to moving and digest. Another hot sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and put up some more right there. That's why I'm talking about life. Working hard, and when your day off, go all the way out. Eat it, eat anything you want. Don't worry about right or wrong, just eat it, but make sure I have this guy on your side, okay? You gotta have this on your side. Make sure you gotta have this. And you gotta have this. How about that? Tipsy, feeling good. I'm gonna dip now. Crab right here, I'm gonna dip. Oh my God. So good. Salmon fish. Dipping in here. So good. How's that? Good?
Thumbs up all the way.
I'm gonna get crab cake. Dip in this sauce right here. Oh my God. Crazy crazy with the lizard. Some more hot sauce, you guys. Oh my goodness, going crazy now. That's a deep fried coconut shrimp. Let me tell you how that tastes. Oh my God, so good. About red onion, I love red onion. Dip in my sauce. Good. Thank you to Sisu Lao hot sauce. Thank you very much. Let me put in mashed potato. Mashed potato. Thank you to Sisu sauce. Let me have some. Dancing in your mouth. Just only mashed potato only. You guys, that's crazy. You eat with everything. That means you can eat with every damn thing. How good is it? That's all crazy good. To be honest, I don't know how to eat crawfish. But today I'm gonna try with my Lao hot gel. Okay, I'm gonna try with this one. I don't know how to eat this basically. All about seafood, so I'm gonna try it. Let's see, I'll let you know how it tastes. Everything tastes so damn good. Tasting so damn good. Cannot complain. Can you imagine the crawfish, steamed crawfish, and eat with dipping with this crazy Lao hot gel right here? Man, that's so delicious. This is deep fried catfish. Dipping with my sauce, I will tell you how that tastes. So damn good. Everything good. I'm gonna get fat. Here comes the carrot cake. Oh. I love rice, you guys. I don't care what kind of rice. I love rice. If you see I'm eat rice getting fat, I don't even care. I love rice. So I'm gonna go ahead topping with hot gel. Gel again. I love rice. I don't care. If you say eat rice, you get fat. Nope. Not in my opinion. Very good. You guys, too bad you don't have my sauce. My sauce tastes good with every damn thing. Every damn thing. Tastes so good with everything. Too bad you don't have mine. So good. The food is good. The hot sauce make my day. Make me eat more and more. I don't even care. I get fat, okay? Forget about today because of that sauce right there. Forget about that. Forget about that. Forget about that. Let's cheer. Thumbs up. Yep, it's all about wine and hot sauce. Wine and hot sauce. That's it. Hey, you guys, if you love my video, thumbs up, subscribe. I will show you more I have. You'll be surprised. I have more everything than you think about it. Have more, okay? So follow me. All right, bye-bye. Thank you.